Ever dreamed of creating AI characters that look and feel the same, no matter the scene? Welcome to Nano Banana's guide to achieving character consistency in your AI creations. First, let's define your character's core visual identity. Think of it like building a digital blueprint in Nano Banana. Start by establishing key features: the unique shape of their eyes, the specific curve of their nose, the texture and color of their hair, and any distinctive markings. Use the platform's detailed sliders and attribute selectors, focusing on precise adjustments rather than broad strokes. For instance, instead of just blue eyes, specify medium cerulean, almond shape. This level of detail tells the AI exactly what to preserve. Now, let's imbue them with personality. Craft a concise, descriptive narrative bio. Highlight their core motivations, their typical reactions to situations, and their defining quirks. This narrative DNA is just as crucial for consistency as their visual traits. When generating new scenes or variations, always re-input these core visual and narrative identifiers. Think of it as reminding the AI who your character is. You can save these foundational prompts as templates within Nano Banana for immediate recall. For storytelling, focus on maintaining consistent emotional expressions and body language that align with your character's established personality. Even in dynamic action, the underlying essence should remain recognizable. By diligently defining and referencing these core elements within Nano Banana, you unlock the power to create AI characters that are not just visually striking, but narratively coherent and unforgettable across all your projects. Get creating.